Morning, grade 10. So let's quickly get on to Introduction to CAD, lesson 1.3. So again, we're going to come along to circle. We're going to choose diameter. And our diameter, of course, is 31 for this one. So I've just typed in 31, and there is my diameter and my circle 31. If we click next to dimensions over here, it shows us linear. If we come along to diameter, I can click on the circle and it will show me the diameter, or I can go click radius and it will show me the radius. Okay. What you would have noticed, the diameter was 31, but my radius is 16. In your diameter settings, which we will get to at a later stage, you can actually adjust that you have a decimal place or not. Okay. On mine, I actually haven't got a decimal space, but when we get onto that, I will show you how to do it. So just press escape to delete that. Going to go back to circle, make sure it is on diameter, and I now need a diameter 53. So there we go. There are my two circles. Again, I'm going to choose my line, change color. Okay, let's just choose green, for instance. Going to come across from my left again, and I'm going to just have my center lines. Okay, hopefully by now we should all remember how to do our center lines. Okay, if not, I will repeat. I'll come from the left-hand side where I see the little plus would then be the middle. I drag it to the right, drag it to the left, or extend it to the left, and now I'm just going up and down with it. Okay, as we can see, there is my big plus sign. If I click on both of them, come to the third line under match properties, or I can choose what I want, what type of line. I can choose hidden, dash, continuous. I want a center line, so I've just gone along and I've chosen a center line. Okay. From my center line, I'm going to choose line again. This is now a construction line, so I will choose a different color. From the center of the circle, they tell me the distance is 147 to my other two circles. So got my line, 180 degrees, diameter or length 147, not diameter. I'm skipping a step there quickly. If we go on to our two circles on the right-hand side, the first one is diameter 47. So I'm going to click on circle, make sure it is diameter, and I'm going to draw a circle diameter 47. Again, click on circle to do my next one, and this one's diameter is 82. So there we've got our two circles. We just change the color back to red. I'm going to now delete that line. I am going to lengthen this line going to my right all the way through. So now it goes past my two new circles. And I'm going to just copy this again. So I just right click, copy select, and I make sure I put it in the center of the circle. And there we go. Now, if we look at our next two parts that we need to draw, it tells us radius 125, and it joins the two parts of our circle, the left and the right. I'm going to show you a quick, easy way of doing it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to circle again. And so far in the 3 lessons and the introduction, we've used radius, we've used diameter. We haven't used 2-point, 3-point, or tan radius, and then your tan, and tan. So today what we're going to use is tan, and radius. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on tan, radius. I'm going to click on the circle on the left, click on the circle on the right. What you would have noticed, it gives me a little circle with a line on the top. That is when it shows you it has created a tangent. Okay. Remember, a tangent is a line that touches the outside of a circle that does not go inside the circle. So I've clicked it on the circle on the right, clicked it on the circle on the left, and I'm now just going to type in 125. Okay, let's try that again quickly. It didn't want to work. So let's go tangent tangent 125. And as we can see, I have this big circle that's been drawn, a complete circle. I'm going to click on the circle, change it to color red. Okay, now what you would have noticed, it touches the outside of my two circles. So I'm going to come along, click on both my circles, find my scissor icon, my trim icon, and I'm going to trim what I don't need. So there I have my curve on the top of the circle. So let's do it for the bottom one again. So we're going to go and click on tan radius. So I'm going to click, type in 125, and there is the circle drawn again. I'm going to click on the circle, change it to color red, click, click, and I can trim it. And there we go. There is the machine part complete and drawn quite easily. So I will leave this, guys, up to you guys. Let you guys finish it. Again, remember, if we've finished these drawings quickly and we've done them and you guys are understanding them quite easily, it is always good to practice it on your own. So change the scale. You can go from 2:1, 3:1, 5:1, and you can make your pictures bigger and you can keep drawing. It is always a good thing to keep practicing, especially with your engineering, all your drawings, all of that. Just keep drawing, just getting used to everything. And then I hope this was fun. Enjoy your day, and I will see you tomorrow.